Now I'm going to tell you why I think babybnb is a good coin to put your money into. What it entails. You and I, we are just going to go through the interface now and then carry on some little analysis about babybnb and see why we think it's a good coin to put money into besides other coin. All right, we all know that there are a whole lot of other coins out there. There are scam coins and there are those that are just dancing within the market without any direction. So, and there are some that are really thriving really well. All right. So we're just going to take a good look at this baby BNB and see why we think that this coin can, give us 100x within the next couple of months or year. All right. So let's just dive right into the video. If you are not subscribed to this channel by now, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, don't forget to also comment. It's very important. It helps to give me an update on what your thoughts are really are and what you really think about my videos. So let's just dive right into the video right away. All right, guys. So let's take a very good look at baby BNB. Let's look at the recent analysis on baby BNB. All right, I've started this video some times ago, and I decided to wait until now before I upload it because I just needed to verify some things about the coin I'm telling you all about. All right, so and now is the right time for anybody to buy to get in because there is it's still it has gone down to a very good state now where anybody can easily afford it and can afford at least a billion copy of the coin. So now let's just go to my coin market cap right here. All right, click on coin market cap. If you all don't have this, all right, please check my video. I think I'll try to link it below or somewhere around where you can easily access this. This is where I do most of my studies from about any coin. All right, so let's just swipe. You can see these are the top gainers for today. All right, all right. No, I didn't mean to check that. All right, so now let's search baby BNB. Okay, let's just swipe off. Click on search. Type baby BNB. All right, I already have a search here. Now look at baby BNB. All right, for the past 24 hours, it's been down by 17.551%. All right, and then for the past 7 days, it's been down by 65.40%. Okay, that's still following all the reflection. All coins are actually down right now. All right, for the past 30 days, it's been up by 138%. All right, note that 30 days is cumulative of the daily growth. All right, so for the past 90 days, it's been down by 36%. All right, so now let's go up here and check the about baby BNB. Baby BNB wants to honor BNB as the currency on Binance Smart Chain. The cryptocurrencies are at this moment still too tied to BTC, including BNB. All right. This last month, BNB has become stronger and stronger. BNB is still in its infancy state. It will take time to compete at the level with Ethereum. All right. So you all know that BNB, most of the conversion we do with some of these crypto, these new shit coins that comes out, we use BNB. All right, especially those that exist on the Binance Smart Chain. All right. So let's go to Explorer. Why I normally consider getting some of these coins, like this particular one. Why I consider it a good investment. You all know that BNB right now is at about $300 plus per BNB. All right, it was not up to that extent. But you can see the recent transactions here. All right, a whole lot of transaction here. You can see a whole lot of transaction here. Pancake swap and swap and swap upon swap. All right, look at their contract ID. Then let's check the holders. Now you can see that this baby BNB has about 24,257 holders. All right, and look at the first. All right, I didn't mean to click that. Now the first address, the bond address, let's look at it. Now the bond address, we have about 56%, 56.250% in the bond address, that is the supply. And then for the second address, all right, the second address contains about 3.3%. and then the third 2.9%, approximately 3, then the fourth 1%, 1%. Now, like I told you, before you get into a coin, you should make sure that the first three holders should not be in such a way that if they drop if the coin is dropped by the first three holders, it will affect the entire community. And you can see it here in this babybnb. You can see the apart from the bond address, the first person here is 3%, then 2% and 2%, and then 1% the rest, which is a good investment to put your money in. Please, a note of warning I always give when I make videos like this is not a financial advice. You are totally in control of your money, and if you're investing with your money in this, it's totally at your discretion, so please be mindful. All right, so now let's scroll up here and look at the analytics. All right, so you all can go ahead and look at every other thing. You can see that it's been on a very good high before now, before it shut down a little bit. So you all can go about and then check every other thing. Make your research before you put money into this coin. All right, but for me, I feel it is a good investment. It's a good investment to put your money in. So let's see if there are some great comments about it. Donation to organization, shape the children, and first list. Okay, legit project, great team, and positive community. Regem. All right, that's this other person here. This other person say great legit project and hardworking devs development. 100x easy. All right. uh Someone say, is this project affiliated with Binance? Someone say, yeah, I think so. Well, the BNB, whether it's affiliated with Binance or not, that will be a research for another video. All right, so but for now, let's stick to here, this section. So if you want to invest in this, just copy your contract ID, copy the contract ID, go to your trust wallet. All right, this is my trust wallet. I'm going to log on to my trust wallet right now. So all right, go to your trust wallet. I'm going to have to, so you go to your trust wallet, then click on this notch at this top right here, and then paste it, paste, paste it. And when you paste it here, the coin automatically reflect, and then you click here to check it in, and then yeah, the coin is checked. All right, so here you can use the pancake swap to swap the coin, and then you know how to walk around. All right, so that's just how to bring it to your trust wallet. All right, so you use pancake. When you go to pancake, if you search the coin, you might not see it there. So the way you make the coin get up and reflect is by clicking here, paste it, paste it here, and then have it will reflect. All right, so this is just how to go about it. And if you have bnb, some smart chain bnb, then you can carry on a swap. All right, so if you've not watched my swap video, how to swap coins on pancake swap, I'll also include it in the description, so check it out. So if you've got to this point of this video, please do what to like and give me some great comments. Subscribe to this channel because I have see you in my next video, and make sure you all